Somebody. This guy is happy.
They said they will not. Wait. Get on this seat now.
Well, please, let's have silence. Gentlemen of the press, as you can see, we just adjourned our meeting for today to tomorrow, 10 o'clock. This meeting is going to continue. We've just set up a small committee that will give us a report tomorrow morning, and we'll continue, and we'll address you properly by the time we conclude our meeting tomorrow. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you that you can see, I'm sure you are aware that our office has been sealed. This is the height of irresponsibility from this government. If they are encouraging it, we are not going to take it lightly. In fact, they can come and arrest all of us. We are ready for that. But we condemn this in totality, and is the highest sense of irresponsibility, and we will not tolerate it. They are trying to mar democracy, and this is unacceptable. We condemn it, and we will make sure that they will have us to contend in the near future. Thank you very much. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Here.
This next meeting will be tomorrow.
Completely. No, no, guys. If I beat you, you will cry. No. Contenant. See, what you do? Just take all this.
Yes, you are doing well. You can see Ondo State Government, Enugu State Government.
You know what? Così come bella tocco qui. Così non complica la tocco qui.
We announce the arrival of governors,
Don't leave me now. Don't dump me like you don't carry me dump like this.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, the one is different. That one is
Next time making our way off. Next member of the press. There'll be a briefing after the meeting, please.
Press, please. Look at that. No, discussion.